started the FRS. It's too cold for me to set my phone up outside and show y'all the cold start, but of course not on E85 anyways. It's 93 gas, so pretty normal, typical cold start, nothing special. In this video, guys, I want to talk about some things that I don't like about the FRS. You know, all my videos are talking good about the FRS, but there's a couple things that I don't like and find annoying, but are not deal breakers, so don't worry, but let's get into it. All right, guys, just got done washing the FRS. Let's get to the first thing. See if you can spot the problem. Yep, right here. This gap right here, and then if you go on this side, there's a gap right here. It's a problem for the FRSs where bumper fitment gets off from just taking the bumper on and off, or you know, something hitting your bumper. It's pretty common for like these clips right here to break. So yeah, it's a pretty common thing, but it's very annoying. I've tried to fix it, and so far I've had no luck. I've tried to replace brackets. So far, no luck. Next thing I'm gonna try is like the headlight brackets. I don't know if having an aftermarket headlights makes it a problem. Maybe it makes the fitment a little off. But yeah, so bumper fitment is one issue. Next issue has to do with the exhaust. As you can see, I have a aftermarket exhaust. I have a single exit Greddy exhaust. And if you come down here, you can see how low my exhaust is to the ground. You can see my resonator. Now why that is because the front pipe, so you have your headers, your over pipe, front pipe, mid pipe, and then your muffler. My front pipe, it's hard to find front pipes that fit good for automatic FRSs. I had to get my friend to fabricate all new hanger mounts for the exhaust. The exhaust isn't in its like stock position really. This is, my friend had to fabricate it to make the exhaust had the best positioning for it to make clearance. With me making that clearance, it pushed my resonator that y'all saw kind of closer to the ground. It hasn't been that big of a problem. I scrape it here and there on speed bumps or something like that, but it really hasn't been that big of a problem. I am lowered on TRD springs, so the car's lowered about 1 inch, but that's one problem. Guys, we're in the car now because this next problem is something to do with inside the car. One of the most annoying things with the FRS is the seatbelt chime. Now, if I have anything in this seat almost, like my backpack for school, camera bag, whatever it is in this seat, it chimes like crazy. I always have to buckle the seatbelt for the chime to stop. This seat will chime all the time. No matter what weight you have in it, pretty much. Probably anything over like 5 pounds, it like freaks it out. So as you guys know, my car is turboed. That's another thing with my car. That's another thing with all the FRSs and stuff. I wish they came with a turbo from factory. The car is so much better with the turbo. Makes just a perfect amount of power for this body style and, you know, just weight and everything. Instead, I had to put thousands of dollars into this car to make it turboed, but either way, it's worth it. I love the turbo. But yeah, I wish these cars come turbo from factory, and I think they will in the future. The new 86s and BRZs. I'm going into the store, walking away, but that's been the video. A couple things I don't like about the FRS. Nothing serious, no deal breakers, honestly, but just annoying things and things you have to kind of deal with or put money into to fix. But other than that, guys, that's been the video. If you're thinking about getting an FRS, BRZ 86, do it. You won't regret it. Caleb, FRS here. Thank you for watching, and peace. Before I end the video, guys, come on. Y'all definitely need to get an FRS. Come on, look how clean that sucker is when I'm walking to it. The car is super clean. It turns heads. Many people don't know what the car is, honestly. They always ask me, what car is this? I say Scion FRS. They're like, Scion? What the hell is that? It's this, baby.